You're using NotebookLM exactly like ChatGPT, and that is exactly why your results are painfully generic and completely useless for actual work. Listen, NotebookLM isn't just a chatbot, it is a closed-loop research engine. It doesn't guess, it doesn't hallucinate, and it doesn't search the web for random garbage. But 99% of people never click past the main upload screen. Today I'm showing you the 7 hidden settings that will turn your chaotic, disorganized notes into interactive podcasts, perfectly structured study guides, and instant project timelines. If you are a student or a professional, you will literally never take notes the hard way again. Here's the deal. If you just upload a single PDF, type, "Summarize this," and call it a day, you are driving a Ferrari in first gear through a school zone. NotebookLM is engineered to find hidden connections across massive amounts of data that your human brain simply cannot process at scale. But to unlock that superpower, you need to flip a few specific switches hidden deep in the user interface. We're going to cover the exact settings to customize your outputs, build instant study materials, and force the AI to cite its sources so you never look foolish. Oh, and stick around until the very end. I'm going to reveal the style guide injection hack. It's a secret prompt setting that forces NotebookLM to completely clone your personal writing style. Your boss, your professor, and even AI detectors will swear you spent hours writing it yourself. Phase 1. Feeding the beast. Setting number 1 is the Google Drive batch sync. Let me guess. You currently download PDFs to your desktop, clutter up your downloads folder, and re-upload them to NotebookLM one by one like it's 2012, right? Stop doing that. It breaks the link to your original files. Click the drop-down, hit Google Drive, and you can instantly batch select entire folders. The best part? If you update the Google Doc later, NotebookLM syncs with it. You are creating a living, breathing brain. But here is the single biggest mistake you're making. Setting number 2. Selective source toggling. When you upload new documents, NotebookLM automatically checks the box next to all your sources. If you have 40 PDFs in there, and you ask a specific question about Chapter 2 of one book, the AI is scanning all 40 documents, getting overwhelmed, and giving you watered-down, confused garbage. Uncheck everything. Only select the 2 or 3 sources you actually want to compare. This shrinks the context window, forces the AI to laser focus its answer, and guarantees maximum accuracy. Phase 2. The Studio panel. Look at the right side of your screen. Most beginners think that's just dead white space. It's not. Setting number 3 is the auto-briefing document. People waste hours typing complex prompts trying to get the AI to format a decent outline. Don't waste your time. Just dump your messy, stream-of-consciousness meeting transcripts or lecture notes into the sources, open that Studio panel, and click Briefing Doc. Boom! Instant hierarchical outline with 0 prompting required. It automatically extracts the key players, the main themes, and the action items. And right next to it is setting number 4, the instant timeline. If you are studying history, reviewing a legal case, or looking at a massive project proposal, click Timeline. NotebookLM will rip through hundreds of pages, extract every single date, and build you a chronological map of events. Doing that manually would take you 3 agonizing hours. Phase 3. Let's talk about those viral audio overviews. You know, the feature where 2 AI hosts turn your notes into a podcast. By default, they just ramble broadly about everything in your notebook. It's cool for 2 minutes, but terrible for actual studying. Setting number 5 is the audio customization prompt. Before you hit generate, hit customize. You can literally direct these AI hosts like a Hollywood producer. Type. Focus only on the financial risks mentioned in source 3 and debate whether they are realistic or not. They will literally change their entire podcast to follow your script. Setting number 6 is your anti-hallucination shield, the citation jump. When NotebookLM gives you an answer, it puts little numbers at the end of its sentences. Stop ignoring them! Click the number, and it instantly opens the exact PDF and highlights the specific paragraph it pulled the data from. If you are writing a research paper, this literally does your bibliography for you. Alright, we are here. Setting number 7, the secret sauce I promised you at the start of the video. If you generate an essay or an email in NotebookLM, even with great notes, it still sounds a little bit robotic. It uses words like delve and testament, gross. Here is how you fix it permanently. Upload a document of something you previously wrote, a killer essay, a past slide deck, or an old email thread. Make sure it's selected as a source. Then, when you write your prompt, use this exact phrasing. Write a summary of the research, but use source 5 as a strict style guide. Mimic its tone, vocabulary, sentence length, and formatting. NotebookLM will extract all the factual data from your research, but it will wear your past writing like a skin suit. The output won't just be accurate, it will sound exactly like you wrote it on your best day. Nobody will ever know. Now that your NotebookLM is fully optimized and cloned to your brain, you officially have an unfair advantage over everyone still doing research the hard way. If this style clone hack just saved you dozens of hours, smash that subscribe button so you never miss the next AI cheat code. And if you want to keep leveling up your workflow and crushing your productivity, click the video on your screen right now. Let's keep the momentum going. I'll see you over there.